Lunch was a few hours ago, and in the office, it is that moment in the day everyone is most waiting for. Home time. Umbrella in hand as some drops begin to fall. Just the beginning of what could be a storm. I walk slowly under my umbrella and can feel the pitter-patter of the few drops that fall on it. Unexpectedly, a coin falls out of my pocket. Instead of picking it up, I prefer to enjoy its sound. Driven by its own inertia, it rolls, hits, jumps, and regains its strength and balance to push itself again and keep rolling. Its clatter forms rhythms, which slowly begin to get lost amid the echo of cars. I realize I am approaching the most dangerous crossing in the city, the place where I must pay the most attention, where my senses must be most acute and switched on. I keep walking and the drops keep falling on the umbrella. Immediately, an interior alarm sounds in me. I detect a new street stall selling hot dogs, which confuses me a bit. It's a new scent in this old setting. I do not know where I have to go. The aroma of the environment is modified and mixed with that of the stall near the corner. This is one of the most dangerous intersections in Buenos Aires that I have to cross every day. 9 de Julio's Avenue and Cordoba's Avenue. Raindrops resonate. The slope of the sidewalk cordon surprises me. Do you realize? I told you I couldn't make out the scent of the candy store, and so I continued walking. It doesn't matter. I continue ahead. The drops mark the rhythm. Cars pass by. Ambulances too. Drops flood my senses. I swallow sounds. Drops falling. They beat their horns at me. Leaks. They scare me. They startle me. The drops hit the pavement of Buenos Aires. Cars get angry and shake air molecules. The air is dirty, damp. I can breathe within it, a percentage of burnt gasoline. I'm very close to the cars. My heart races. The raindrops accelerate my pulse. I'm nervous. I don't understand, or at least I think I don't, why I always cross this site. The drops fall. Via the horns and the tumultuous commotion of the traffic, I realize that there is no order and that the sound of cars comes from all directions. The cars pile up together, symmetrically, with the raindrops. Some thunder prevails. It's the traffic light. It's not working. Everything is confusing. Or am I lost? It can't be. I begin to doubt the texture of the pavement. Damp. The drops go through my umbrella and stick to my head. Am I where I think I am? Or where am I? I go ahead. And I find no obstacle. And if there are no obstacles, I have no roads. I try to reassure myself and start doing what I do best. Play with the sounds. I combine sounds, copy and paste the horns, the thunders, the drops. I compose my own audio collage, my own music. This happens every so often. From time to time, I get disorientated, dizzy, and lost. It is the closest thing to daydreaming. Slowly, I place myself. And everything is back to being known. Now I know where I am. Or so I think.